Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Allie, and today I'm gonna just kind of take you through our day and show you some of the things that we do to pass the time during quarantine. We are not on lockdown where we live, but we are choosing to stay very close to home. We are in the car right now, and that is because we frequently take drives. We don't get out of the car, but we just kind of drive around just to get a little change of scenery. And right now we are driving to a neighborhood just to kind of check it out. We're kind of in the process of looking for a house, so that's usually what we do. We get in the car and we drive around and look at houses. Can you say hi?
Hi.
What are you doing back there? Yeah? Okies, say hi. Can you say hi? Can you blow a kiss? Oaks, what does a ducky say? Good job. The babies are down for a nap, so I'm gonna do a couple of things while they're asleep. The first is I'm going to take my seedlings outside. I'll show you those in just a second. And then the second thing is I'm gonna try my hand at homemade paleo banana bread because I have a bunch of really ripe bananas that I need to use. I had started all our seeds in this. I just got it from Lowe's. And as they grew, I transferred them, I actually did this a couple days ago, over to these larger pots. Again, I got these from Lowe's. Now that they're growing even bigger, I think it's time to take them outside to harden up a little bit because we are gonna be transferring them to the actual garden here pretty soon. So I want them to get used to being outdoors before that happens. I wanted to show you guys the house real quick. I have been in the kitchen trying to just kind of redecorate a little bit, make it look simpler, and I'm trying to work with the brown cabinets and this granite. I'm not a huge fan of it. I just love a bright white kitchen, but since it's what we have right now, I'm really trying to embrace it and just love it. So I used what I had since I obviously can't go out and shop. This was something that Andrew picked up at the grocery store when he went out because he does our grocery shopping for us. And then I already had this pot and the paint, so I just kind of whitewashed it. It's kind of hard to see with the lighting. But this is just a rosemary plant. I'm gonna plant that in there today. But I'm really liking the simplicity of the kitchen now. I think that looks a lot better than it did. Okay, we are out of the house. The kids woke up from a nap. We actually had to wake up Oakley. He was trying to take a longer than a 4-hour nap and we decided to wake him up. So we got in the car and we are coming over to my parents' house. That is pretty much our only outlet during this time. Andrew goes to the grocery store and then we go to my parents' house, and that is it. So we're gonna have dinner with my parents tonight, just some leftovers that we had actually had with them last night. And then we're gonna go and do a little bit of fishing. So that's kind of just one of the ways that we spend our days now, is just coming over to my parents' house and letting the kids run around in the yard and just be outside. Today's a gorgeous day. It's 82 degrees, so it'll be a nice little evening. You excited to be here? Be out of the house? Hey, Okie man. Ready to get out and play? Yeah. We are home and we've got the kids in bed, although you might hear Oakley in the background on the monitor. He's still awake, but he should be out soon because he played really hard today. We had a really fun day fishing, we had dinner, and then after dinner we went back to the house and had dessert. And we got the kids in bed a little bit later than they typically go to bed, but it feels like a summer night. It honestly does. So, but yeah. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys for hanging out with us today. This was pretty much a typical day, staying close to home because of everything that's going on. There's definitely some behind the scenes work that we do that I didn't show in the video, but other than that, this was pretty much a typical day. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, then now would be a great time to do it. We would love to have you guys be a part of the channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram at allie_gooch. And then I have a wellness Instagram account that I would love for you guys to follow me on as well, and that's at simplyessentials_Allie. All right, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.